You don't want to take off your work, right?
Only one of us will be here.
Okay, but you want some sort of relief, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in order for me to do that, I have to hear the facts. Now, Ms. Daniels, again, continue.
So, like I said.
No, let me direct you really quick. You're getting ready to talk about these 6 figures you have in the bank.
I do.
All right, how much money we talking?
We talking about, 300-400. You know what I'm saying?
Bullshit. Sorry.
I said no more outbursts.
I was coughing.
It's true.
It's your allergies.
Yeah.
Handle that. You need some tissue?
No.
She entered court seeking relief. But what the judge uncovered shocked everyone. With 6 figures sitting comfortably in the bank, Miss Daniels acted carefree. The judge wasn't convinced. Her voice cracked, and she blamed it on allergies. But was it really that? Or was guilt finally starting to show? The court...
That's what you have in the bank. How much money are you making annually?
Well, it kind of just depends on the year and how many promotions I get, how many companies want to invest in me. So it just depends. Anywhere between...
When are you going to answer my question?
Judge, it's a difficult question for me. Because, sometimes I can have a promotion that's $500, or I can have a promotion that's $50,000 plus. So,
Miss Daniels, you know I don't have a lot of time, right? I have other cases I need to get here.
The judge pressed her for a number, but she dodged every question. It depends on the year, she claimed, talking about promotions and investments. Tension filled the room as time ran short. Excuses piled up until the judge leaned forward, staring directly. Was this case real, or just a performance? What came next left the courtroom stunned.
Right, so you obviously came here to waste my time.
I didn't.
You did, because I asked you a very simple question. On average,
I have a simple answer.
On average.
On average.
How much do you make in a year?
Judge, I'd like to say maybe about 30 to 100K.
Okay, 30 to 100,000?
Yeah.
So we just gonna take the high end so we can keep this moving, because you came here to waste my time and I do not have time to play with you.
Oh my gosh, Judge.
And is this from an employer, or are you self-employed? What do we do?
I am self-employed.
All right.
I do influence.
When asked again for the truth, she gave a shocking range. $30,000 to $100,000. The judge snapped. You came here to waste my time. Silence filled the courtroom. Then she revealed she's an influencer. Her tone was confident. But what followed completely flipped the mood inside. Everyone realized the case was about to get even messier.
What do you influence?
I influence the world.
You clearly aren't influencing. You said the world?
The world.
Well, that doesn't include these 5 children, because you don't even go and see them, right?
It's just been the last couple months.
Well,
okay?
no, excuse me. Yes,
Judge.
You're influencing everyone but these children that you do not have anything to do with and you do not financially support. You said they were with you. Excuse me?
It's hot.
What are we doing here? What are we doing here?
It's getting hot.
She trying to show you what she had
The BBL?
done. Yeah.
I'm not interested in the BBL. Let me tell you what I'm about to do. I'm about to make these numbers go BBL.
She claimed to influence the world, painting herself as a major public figure. But the judge didn't let her hide behind flashy words. He struck back hard, reminding her that being an influencer doesn't excuse responsibilities. The courtroom could see through the image she was trying to protect. Reality was about to catch up fast.
Can I speak briefly?
Briefly. Make it quick.
Quickly, in the last few months, it has been a downtrend due to inflation and all that stuff. People aren't paying as much.
How much was your BBL?
I didn't pay for that.
How much was it? How much was it?
I mean, I got more than the BBL. I had tube sock titties, so I got the boobies, then I got the booty, and then I got all that. So he probably paid $35,000, $40,000. Yeah, he did.
Oh yeah, let me hurry up and get you out of here with these numbers. You are about to pay child support. You have 5 children total, or do you have other children outside of these?
Blaming inflation, she said her income dropped. But the judge wasn't buying excuses. When asked about her surgeries, she froze. Finally, she admitted, boobs, booty, nearly $40,000 spent. The judge leaned forward sharply. You're about to pay child support. Suddenly, this case wasn't about lifestyle anymore. It was about consequences. And the biggest surprise was still ahead.
That are under the age of 18.
No, I don't.
Okay,
They're grown.
so just the 5 children, right?
Just
All right, so 5
yeah.
children, that is going to be at the 40%. And you said health insurance was about $350, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So your child support, you're looking at monthly. So with your testimony being on the high end of $100,000, that's what I just based your child support off of.
The judge laid out the facts. 5 children, no health insurance, and an income of $100,000. Numbers don't lie. He started calculating child support, and it wasn't looking good. The courtroom braced for impact. But what shocked everyone even more wasn't the numbers. It was how she reacted when the truth hit her directly in court.
I mean, well, I was going to make it higher than that and do it like the $350,000. Then that would make you cap out. But
I think you should do that.
well,
no.
I have to accept her testimony is true, but I don't really think that it's going to help her too much because her child support is still going to be pretty hefty. So I have your gross at $8,333.33. That brings your net to $6,512.07.
The judge almost based payments on a $350,000 income. But even her truthful numbers didn't help. With over $6,500 net income monthly, she faced huge payments. She tried to act calm, pretending it didn't matter, but the pressure was clear. The judge wasn't finished. What he said next had the power to shatter her confidence completely.
6,512 times the 40%. That brings your child support amount to $2,604.
Is that a week, Your Honor?
How often are you paid? Are you paid by the day? You paid by the month? How are you paid?
Judge, it just depends. I would.
She
say,
just
though,
answered my question. That's a monthly amount.
I mean, that's
How
great,
she's
monthly.
paid, it'll just break down, but the amount is $2,604 plus.
I can give you that.
Plus.
You need it.
Is that per week? She asked, almost in disbelief. The judge paused, staring at her. Support was set at $2,654 monthly, and she still couldn't understand how serious it was. Her influencer lifestyle had collided with real-life responsibilities. The numbers weren't negotiable, but the final amount the judge revealed was even more jaw-dropping for everyone.
$350 reimbursement for the children, so that brings your monthly rate to $2,954.
I got it. Can the kids stay with him now?
That's
I got
right.
The
something to
kids
do.
will continue to live with him because that's who they live with, and obviously
They can stay.
you care more about a BBL than them.
That's not
Right.
true.
And we don't know when she's gonna run off again with the next guy.
No, next guy. I'm good.
It'll be a caprice this time.
I'm good.
Oh, okay. So we're good with the numbers then. Is there anything
gravy.
further? All right. Is there anything further that you want me to know that's related to?
It became official. $2, $9.54 each month. Yet she still asked, can the kids stay with him? The judge didn't hesitate. You care more about your BBL than your children, he said. The room froze as her ex exposed her past choices. The truth stung, but the case wasn't finished. Another twist was waiting before the end.
Briefly about visitation. How does that work?
The kids are going to stay with him, and you guys are going to work that out at a
we don't get
different.
along very well, as you can see.
Well, obviously, but I mean, they need to stay with him and probably see you on weekends if you're so busy.
That's my busiest time, Judge. I can't do weekends. Maybe Monday to Tuesday.
Well, they go to school.
Right, and I'm at work.
She asked about visitation, but weekends were her busiest time. Kids go to school, the judge reminded her. Monday and Tuesday weren't options. She had no plan, no answers. Tension peaked in the courtroom. And when she finally admitted the truth, her entire credibility shattered further. The final judgment was coming, and it wouldn't be easy.
Are you going to get him to school?
I
No.
can't.
You can't get him to school.
She don't have a car.
You don't have a car?
She make all that
please.
money,
Oh, you a lie.
but ain't got no car.
You better go see the rose outside.
What kind of roses? I love roses. What color?
I just said rose, like rose gold color.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
because I know we weren't talking about that other one. But
no,
anywho,
we're not
that's
good.
neither here nor there. Is there anything further, Mr. Cliff?
I think that's all, Your Honor.
All right. Well, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
The courtroom turned awkward with side talk, but the facts stayed clear. No car, no school runs, no effort. She claimed 6 figures, but couldn't manage her kids' daily needs. The judge had enough. This wasn't just about child support. It was about responsibility. For those children, the ruling meant stability. Justice delivered, excuses destroyed completely.